Hey friends, in alphabets B stands for birth and D stands for death. What comes between that? You are correct, C, choices. When it comes to make regular choices, we make it quickly and don't consider any other alternatives. At other times, however, we experience what a scientist called as analysis paralysis. Yeah, sounds as plant's name, but it's a condition we face when we are asked to make any difficult decision. Often at the times of we are afraid of making wrong decision, we spend huge amount of time analyzing about every possibility to find a proper solution. Sometimes while some decision could be of life changing or life destroying. In those periods, making a right decision is the only choice. When this kind of situation occurs, you can try this simple and effective decision making strategy called as pros and cons list, which helps you to look at the situations and make a confident choice. This method is particularly useful in a group decision making. When a team member favors a certain idea or a point of view, it encourages each person to consider other perspectives and it can help your team reach a balanced, informed decision. So how to actually do it? Simple. 3 easy steps. First, take a sheet of paper and write your decision at the top of it. Second, then divide the paper in half and label one side as pros and other side as cons. And third, write down all of the possible positive outcomes at the pros column and write all possible negative outcomes at the cons column. As you keep filling both columns, your decision will be clear by the end of the list. If not, you can score your pros and cons to show the importance of each. The highest score of any column will help you to decide whether it's worthwhile to go with it or not. As the motivation speaker Tony Robbins said, when you know what's most important to you, making a decision is quite simple. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section below, and you can also share your ideas, suggestions and on which topic you want us to create our next videos on. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs to see this. And you can click on any video on screen from this series which you found necessary to watch. Thank you.